Kyoraku. Probably not saying that right, but Bleach, 1000-Year Blood War, ongoing. Cool episode with this guy. Gonna draw him. Saw his Bankai. It's pretty good. So, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I guess we gotta draw the basket weaved hat first, right? Just for scale, because if you draw the face too big, then you won't be able to fit in the basket. So, we'll mark it out. I'll go right to the edge. We'll go as far as we can. It's pretty big. Okay, so I'm gonna try and connect this as smoothly as I can. So we'll just go. And if it's a bit bumpy, it's okay, because it is like a basket thing. Okay. That's big, but that's how big it is, right? So there's a top line as well. I always have to hold my breath. Jenny. Okay, and then top, so we're aiming, so the middle's like there, so we're aiming for like top of it there, right? So bumpy. Okay, and then we go the other way. Better going that way when you're right-handed. Rightio, then patterns and designs kind of on the top here. Kind of like floral patterns. He's a very patterned up guy. Okay, something like that, and then it has an edge. Simplifying things, but this is the general gist of it. And there's like an oval here, and little dashes and stuff. Okay, then there's some basket weave lines. Following the shape of the hat. 2, 3, 4, and then boom, 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 and diagonal, or should I say horizontal. Now, you know, you could do less than me if you wanted, of course. Teeny weeny ones here. Now, over this side, same sort of thing. And maybe some little diagonal ones on this. Okay, that's his hat, right? Basically. Now, so what's up with his face? Strap. Okay, well, we're in profile, right? So, coming down from the hat, just to get it in the right place, we'll do his brow first. Just a little zigzag sort of thing there. And then this joint curves around for the bridge of his nose, which is kind of large, like and bumpy, which curves down. Sticks out a fair bit. And then comes back in. Okay, and you got a nostril here, and they actually draw in the skin of his nostril, which is unusual for animes. Do. So he seems to have a strap. Okay. So here, see where the nose and his forehead touch this area? Across from this is where his eye will be, pretty much. So it like goes up like so, and then across to a little sort of spike on the end. You can thicken this up a little bit. It tends to be a heavier line. And you have a little spike then back here. Okay. And then his bottom eyelid. So I think it just goes this way. And then we have a bit of tear duct just there. Right, and then there's a bit of like an eye line or something there. And he's looking like down and over towards us, right? So half circle coming up from the bottom eyelid. And then his pupil, if I was to put a pupil, where would it be? We'll go like here. And then his eyelid line. This seems to like go up towards his forehead a bit more that way. And then he has that eye patch bandage, right? That comes down, kind of goes around his nose to the other side of his eye, right? It's kind of bumpy there. And then his eyebrow comes out from that, and it's quite big. It's kind of square on the end, and then comes back down to there. Some lines on the end. So there's loads of straps coming across his face, but we have a little bit of hair just here. Kind of curling down this way. Okay. Right, so continuing down the face, so we got his mouth. Now the mouth, when the lips are closed, when the mouth's closed, it's a letter M, basically, and you're following this trajectory. It's not the same line as the nose, because the nose bumps out, right? So it kind of goes this way then. So you want to go curving out, then it goes back in. Bottom lip usually fatter than top lip. Right, so it's like an M, just going out that way. And then where the mouth touches, you got like a smile line. And they give him a bit of a top lip line there. And a bit of a bottom lip line there. And then he's got a real strong chin. Coming out like so. That way, where's that? That comes out actually to eyebrow. Just looking at his mouth here. Comes out a bit further. And then the jaw. Up here. Then goes up to his ear. And then the ear is just underneath the hat here. And your ear is normally like in line with your top of your ear is normally in line with your eyebrow. And then the earlobe is in line with your nostrils. Like, not like straight across, because he's looking sort of down, right? So you gotta go and follow that down line as well. So then his big sideburn, square, and then goes up and has some spikes on it. And then he has a scar here. Is it a scar? And then his like cheekbone drawn in. And some ear lines. Okay. That was beard, right? So it's done just with these slash lines, these sort of hatching lines. Very basic. And yet effective way of drawing a beard. And then they get real long here. So they're stumpy sort of on his face, like his upper lip. And they're short down here. But then on his jaw, they are quite long and then get shorter up to the top. Kind of like that. Okay, so we got like long hair coming out from behind the ear. Then we'll deal with all those cords and stuff. So just like a zigzag line where it connects to his neck. And then he's a bit of a bobbin sort of tied here, right? Sort of fold lines on it. The other side of his hair. Because that way we can't see texture lines, but we should have some, I would say. Kind of like that. And then the ponytail just hanging down, go down. It's pretty long, so it'll go off the page because it's a close-up shot. You could do some swirls and textures inside. And then his clothing or costume, so it just comes across the neck, the collar there. And then we can see sort of where his Adam's apple would be, and then neckline. So his shoulder, we're looking at it from the back, so it just goes down there, another fold line. Now there's lots of floral patterns on all this, but they don't even draw it in, it's like printed on. So I will let anyone who wants to do that. I'll just go with the pink simple version. Keep it simple here. Okay. And then we can draw these. So there's these little sort of windmill flower things. Sort of coming out of his hair. Right, and then there's like a little stick that goes into his bobbin here. And then he has more eye patch stuff, right? So coming over the nose, it looks like. One. Okay. And then the hat, like cord or whatever it keeps his hat on. Right, so one comes down sort of just on his jaw, say here, and there's like a little tied section. Of course, like if you draw over anything, you can erase, you know, or color over. A lot of overlapping things on this guy, you know, so this cord is like over the beard and it's over the eye patch. line as well. So it's kind of not visible what's underneath. And then a little cord on the other side of his head. I think that's everything. Kyoraku from Bleach. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.